Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a very special day to me, and this right here is super special to me. From the day I started my channel till now, one of my well-wishers always kept on supporting and encouraging me. That pure-hearted person first recognized my talent and gave me this special recognition. This recognition right here and that well-wisher will always remain in my heart and will always have a place in my heart, ever, lifelong. Also, his friend, Mr. Vivek, is in the US and he works for the Apple company, and I would like to say thank you to him for giving a special discount for this special thing. Thank you. Guys, after I said he worked for the Apple company, you might have got a clue of what is inside this, but do you know what it is? Do you know?
No.
Okay, what do you think it is? What do you think it is? Huh? An apple? Why would an apple be in a cardboard box? Do you know what it is? Just take a guess.
Laptop?
Okay, let's see that. I think that's the closest one. He said apple and he said laptop. And then when we combine them together, you get an Apple laptop. So guys, this is the 2020 MacBook Pro 13-inch. So let's get to the unboxing. Are you guys excited?
Yes.
Oh my God, I see it. Ready guys?
Yeah.
3, give me a countdown. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah! We got the 2020 MacBook Pro. As you can see, it says MacBook Pro on both sides. So let's get this box out of the way. Guys, look at this. I watched a lot of videos about this, and then they always like this ASMR moment. Are you guys ready for it? Ready?
Yes.
It's gonna be so satisfying. Oh, oh my God. Tell me if this is not ASMR. Oh, we got it out. And under this box is the space gray model. Ready guys? Let's go. Let's lift it up. Ready? Lift it up. Lift the lid up. Lift it up. Oh my God. Guys, look at that Apple logo. Guys. Okay, let's get it out. Oh, we got another tab. This is gonna be ASMR for sure. Let's see what else comes with the box. In the box, we have a USB-C to a USB-C cable. So we definitely need that to power up our laptop. And then we got some instructions. We definitely have to read that, but I'll read that on my own time.
Yeah.
Because you don't want me to read this non-stop to you guys. So I'll try and get it out. Is there more in here? Oh yes, the one and only Apple stickers. This will sure have a place somewhere. Okay. Actually, do you want the stickers? So we'll put the okay. We got a manual, so we'll put it out. We'll put it in late. We'll put it to the side and read it later. And then put it back. Okay, put it back. We'll put it to the side, and then we got the power brick. So this is an important thing because this is the only thing that can power up this laptop. Okay, and then we put this here. Let's see if there's anything. That's the box. So let's close it up. And then let me just tell you about the specs of these laptops. This is a 13-inch MacBook Pro with a i5 processor with a 8 GB of memory and a 256 GB of SSD, and it has 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports. Yeah. Okay, so let's keep it. And it also has it with the new Magic Keyboard. And we all know about the old butterfly keyboard. Whew. Okay, let's put that to the side. Actually, let's keep it here. Now, to the real deal. Let's pull the tab. Archie, are you ready for the ASMR?
Yes, sir.
Archie, are you ready? Oh my God.
Oh, it's so ASMR.
Oh my God. And then we got the laptop itself. Oh my God. Let's power it on for the first time. Okay. Oh, we got it covered inside. And I'm pretty sure it should turn on once you open it. Oh my God. It turned on. It turned on, guys. It turned on. It's loading. Oh, that's the touch bar. Oh my God.
Look at the Apple sign.
Yeah. Okay, it should power on any second. Okay, let's get to these. Yes, we are English. Oh, the thing came on.
Whoa.
Okay, it's loading. Okay, welcome. And just you can register and set up your Mac. I am from Canada. Yes. Continue. Yeah.
macOS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver.
Oh.
If you know how to use VoiceOver, press the Command key while you press Touch ID 3 times at the right end of the touch bar. To learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, press the Escape key.
A few moments later.
So guys, the setup is finally over and the Mac is running perfectly fine. I also customized the touch bar. So what I have in it is Siri, the backlit keyboard brightness selector, launch pad, play, rewind, and fast forward, and the brightness slider, mute, the volume slider, and snapshot, because I need that. And then also, I customized the dock as well, so I took out the stuff I don't need, and then I just kept it minimalistic. And then I also changed the Catalina background to dark, cause I like it. And then I also set up like other stuff, and then yeah, it's working perfectly fine. So guys, that's the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And again, I'm so thankful for having this. See you next time. Bye.